Present tense. Simple present tense. I go to school. Continuous present tense. I'm going to school. Perfect present tense. I have gone to school. Perfect continuous present tense. I have been going to school. Past tense. Simple past tense. I went to school. Continuous past tense. I was going to school. Perfect past tense. I had gone to school. Perfect continuous past tense. I had been going to school. Future tense. Simple future tense. I will go to school. Continuous future tense. I will be going to school. Perfect future tense. I will have gone to school. Perfect continuous future tense. I will have been going to school.